This was crazy to watch. A man actually threatened a group of bikers with a hammer.
What's wrong with you, bro?
What do you want to do?
Bro, I want to do no. What's wrong with you, man? Bro, he just cut us off and tried to hit us. Bro, I ain't doing anything. Bro.
A rider and his friend received a lesson they will never forget. While it's unclear exactly what led up to this moment, one thing is for sure. These bikers will likely never make that mistake again.
Oi. खोला तले
These bikers were simply filling up their tanks when they were approached by a man who initially seemed like a reasonable guy, but wasn't.
I know you still did, because you guys did get gas. But that's okay, you're done getting gas. I'm serious, you will call the police. I'm gonna get out of here, we're getting gas. Okay, well, you know what? Maybe you should. Next time.
These bikers are the perfect example of why popping wheelies on public roads is never a good idea. A drunk man actually tried to kick a motorcyclist off his bike in the middle of the street.
You wanna f***ing try it again, mate? F*** off that. Fuck off, you're on camera. You're on f***ing camera. Get him the f*** away. Get the f*** away.
A simple ride home turned into a shouting match with a neighbor who's fed up with the noise.
What? Dude, I'm doing like 20 miles an hour. Chill the f, bro. We're neighbors. You need to calm down. It's Saturday. Look how beautiful it is. You're washing your car. Chill, dude. I've been here since 05. It's off, bro. God, dude. Fucking Karen ass. God, dude. Oh, you mother. Oh. Ooh. Gas. Come here. Come here. You spray me with that spray. You gonna rev up? I'm gonna your face. Here you go. Do what you gotta do.
Do what I gotta do?
You spray me in the face with chemicals. He sprayed me in my eyes with that. I got it on camera. So take that punch and don't ever do that again.
This is water, dude.
That is chemicals. I smell it, dude. You spray me.
This biker almost got rear-ended by a careless driver.
not even gonna say sorry, dude? You just almost killed me and you ain't even gonna say anything? You know I have that all on camera, right?
No, I don't give a
You know you're going to get reported to the police, right? Dude, get back in your car, man. Get back in your car, man. Get back in your car. Next time look, you piece of shit, because next time when you kill someone, if you would have hit me, you would be in the hospital, you piece of shit. Yeah, I bet you weren't looking right in front of where you're supposed to, you loser. Yeah, have fun with your piece of shit, tiny truck, you little I don't give a I'm gonna take your mirror off.
A biker's motorcycle was stolen right in front of him, leaving him feeling absolutely defenseless.
If you turn your bike up, I'm gonna arrest you. Turn your goddamn bike off. Just turn your bike off.
A state trooper threatened to confiscate a group of young bikers' motorcycles for trespassing. Was that reaction a bit extreme?
State trooper, I'm gonna throw you in jail unless you turn it off right now and talk to me.
Well, I'll just leave right now.
No, you're gonna turn it off and talk to me.
I don't know if I can start this bike back
I
up.
don't care. You trespass. It's defiant trespass. It's a misdemeanor, up to 3 years in jail. Turn your bike off now.
Can I just set it down? Like,
No. Show me your ID.
I don't have any on me.
Where you live?
Right off of Brookville, right in Brookville, right by
See all the goddamn signs around here?
Yeah.
Then you're trespassing. Take your helmet off.
Look, I'm just gonna leave.
No, you're not gonna leave. And neither is he. Turn your bike off. If you turn your bike up, I'm gonna arrest you. Turn your goddamn bike off. Just turn your bike off. You both are trespassing.
You literally just got here.
No bullshit. I got pictures of you driving all over this place. Okay? You've been here many times. You were here on Saturday. You're defiant trespass. If I call the troopers out here, you're going to jail. Let me see your IDs. Take your helmets off. Well, take your helmets off. I want pictures of you both. Where do you live? How old are you?
21.
How old are you? Oh, so you guys are going to jail.
I mean, we
You
don't have.
can't just ride motorcycles on private property.
You know,
We
I
saw-
wasn't the one who even found these people.
I don't care. I own it.
Okay. I understand. I'm sorry.
And I have pictures of both of you. You were here Saturday.
Next time he'll think twice before messing with a biker. This driver threatened to run the biker over.
What the f are you doing? What is your bitch ass talking about? Move this piece of shit ass car.
This piece of shit will run you to.
Yeah, all right. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Run me over there. Dickhead.
A van driver passed this cyclist dangerously close, and that single moment turned into the craziest road rage incident you'll ever see.
Give me more distance, dude. What the are you doing? Come over to this lane and pass me
in the middle of the road.
with a full
I'm
fucking
literally in the middle of the road
lane.
'cause you're
You
in the
gave
middle
me
of the
this space.
Learn how to ride the road, bro.
I got a card that explains the law. I am allowed to ride on the road.
I don't want nothing
You're
from you.
required to give me 3 feet when you pass me.
You're riding in the middle of the road on a bike,
I was
bro.
on the road.
lane
I
driving.
was on the
I don't
right
give a fuck,
tire
bro.
tread.
I'm working, bro.
I was
You're out
on the
here doing
right
some
tire.
weird
It
shit,
does
dude.
not matter if you're working. That does not give you an
Dude, leave
excuse
me
to
alone,
break the
bro. Get
fucking
away from
law.
me. Back up. I'm not
Do
breaking
not
the law.
break law.
Dude, I'm not breaking the law.
You did.
You're the one riding in the middle of the road.
I was on the right tire tread.
Get the
I
away
was
from
in
me.
the right
Get out of my
fucking tire
face.
tread.
Do
I
something
was
or
in
get out of my
the tire tread, dude. Take this.
I don't want that, bro. Where's your license plate at?
I don't have a plate. It's a bicycle.
Road.
Because I have the legal right to be on the road.
Get away from me, man. Bro, you need to take your litter. You need to put it back where your stuff is, okay? And you need to leave me alone. You're harassing me, bro, and I don't like it. Okay, thank you. I'll be right there. Hey, I don't want you.
You can find the video online, dude.
This biker lost it when a driver started riding his back tire. But the driver's excuse was that the biker was moving too slow.
Back off. Dude, you're too close. Smile for YouTube.
Speed limit for a reason!
Dude.
The speed limit!
Dude, I was.
Dude, you're doing 30 miles an hour!
Dude.
30 miles an hour!
Lay off my.
Fuck up!
Yeah, let's call the cops.
You now, dude! What do you want to do?
Let's call the cops.
God, go on! Quit
Go f***ing around me.
Huh?
How they catch you with this one? This one ran more than that one.
But he'll never catch me.